Oh damn, is that a bunny? Rabbit? Is it a bunny or is it a rabbit? Ah. So what the hell is that? It's like Disney Castle or something? That wait, this is actually taller than I expected. So our next location is something about like viewing a lot of flowers in the garden over here. So look, we are greeted by a really nice fountain up front, and then we have to pay tickets to get in inside this place. Yeah, I will show you around, right? So this is the Cameron Lavender Garden thing. It operates between Monday to Thursday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Friday to Sunday or public holiday, 9 until 7 p.m. So we entered by using this door over here. My brother is already inside waiting, taking photos apparently. What is this? Oh, this lavender? So it's like copyrighted music in the background, so I probably have to mute the music, and y'all can enjoy the scenery. There's a lot of lavender flower up here. Let me try to smell it. Nope, no smell. It's not actual like the usual lavender scent kind of thing, but I don't know. Coconut purple car, pretty cute. They have ice cream stores over here and whatever like souvenir shops. It's a lavender ice cream thing. It's purple in color, more purplish than the one that you see on the camera. Confusing. Does taste a bit like lavender, right? Give it to my brother.
It's confusing indeed.
Nah, it's
Just
confusing.
like how it smells like.
My youngest brother did like took this as well. It's lavender. Now this one actually smells like the typical lavender smell that we all been smelling in perfume and stuff like that. Actually smells really good. And apparently this thing actually lavender. Yeah, it actually smells really good. Oh my god, it's my favorite fish. Your favorite fish? Why did you let's go? Oh my god, that's so good. So they have whatever this small, I think it's like shark sauce. Really? Yeah, that sounds good. Does you have the snow ice? Yeah, can I have one? So while waiting for my siblings and the others walking around looking at flowers, so I'm just sit around and try this thing called the strawberry snow ice that I just got back there for @ringgit. Let's see what does it taste like. Not bad, good. A little bit sour, a bit sweet. Well, gonna try.
forget, if you like the video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment anything else you want to see. And I hope that I will see you all in the next part. Alright?